times forward. The wave of manufacturing upgrades is sweeping the world. On the important manufacturing map of global construction machinery, HUAYEE Heavy Industry occupies an important position. Write a beautiful chapter. Shandong HUAYEE Group, founded in 2012. Start by focusing on the product itself to build a complete industrial system. HUAYEE always insists on quality first. Take a long-term approach to steady brand development. Today, HUAYEE has developed into a small construction machinery, R&D, and manufacturing, a super factory that integrates sales and after-sales, integration of international trade, e-commerce, Internet Plus, and other diversified development patterns. Modern industrial base covering an area of 300,000 square meters. 750 plus professional staff working together. Annual production of 30,000 small construction machinery products. Set R&D, design, manufacturing, sales, after-sales, and service in one. Full-link industrial system, Shandong HUAYEE Heavy Machinery Group Co. is running efficiently here. From factory to market, from China to the world, HUAYEE's business has covered major cities in China and is exported to more than 100 countries and regions worldwide. Corporate vision, dedicated to the top 50 global construction machinery manufacturers to become a company that customers trust, employees are proud of, and society respects. Corporate mission, realize customer dreams, continuously create value. Corporate values, achieve customer success, selfless dedication, sincere and trustworthy, quality, responsibility, unity and cooperation, actively seek to win, integrity and innovation, pursuit of excellence, tenacious struggle, keep going. Products are the most direct manifestation of an enterprise's value. Quality is the most solid foundation for a brand. From the perspective of the entire value chain, examine every aspect. Continuously pursue industry progress. Continuously build a core competitive advantage, starting with product research and development. HUAYEE insists on user request-oriented, professional R&D team, coverage scheme design, structural optimization, performance validation. Let every device have it, more efficient and adaptable in the manufacturing process, mature process, and strict quality control throughout the production process, just to ensure the stability of each factory equipment, reliable and durable. Full-link production, manufacturing to marketing integration, industry and trade integration, product delivery to the agent sales package guidance to after-sales problem service solution. HUAYEE Heavy Industry already has, so the perfect solution for the chain and corresponding solution support capabilities in each link. HUAYEE Group now has a mature product line, one small excavator product line, 0.8 tons, 1.0 tons, 1.2 tons, 1.6 tons, 1.8 tons, 2.0 tons, 2.5 tons, 3.0 tons, 3.5 tons, 4 tons, 6 tons, 8 tons. A full range of excavators. It is the most competitive appearance in the current market and very cost-effective prices. 2. Skid steer loader product line. 360 stand-on skid steer loader, 360 ride-on skid steer loader, 480 stationary driving skid steer loader, 480 ride-on skid steer loader, low back bashes skid steer loader, 700 ride-on skid steer loader. A full range of different sizes, product lines with different loading capacities. Hundreds of assistive devices are matched, more comprehensive, more efficient. 3. Dump truck product line, 500 kilogram dump truck, 500 kilograms lift type dump truck, 800 kilograms lift type dump truck. Mini small full hydraulic transport dump truck, smaller, more convenient. 4. Track carrier product line, 0.8 tons, 1.2 tons, 1.5 tons, 2.0 tons, 3.0 tons, 4.0 tons, 5.0 tons, 6.0 tons. Product diversification, powerful, can adapt to a variety of transportation scenarios. 5. Forklift product line. Electric forklift. 1.5 tons, 2.0 tons, 2.5 tons, 3.0 tons, 3.5 tons, 5.0 tons. Diesel forklift. 2.0 tons, 2.5 tons, 3.0 tons, 3.5 tons, 4.0 tons, 5.0 tons. Easy to operate, easy to maintain, suitable for long hours of work. 6. Loader product line. 300 kilograms, 400 kilograms, electric version. 400 kilograms, diesel version. 600 kilograms, electric version. 600 kilograms, diesel version. 1,000 kilograms. Worked fast, high efficiency, good mobility. Product delivery is not the end. It's the beginning of the service. HUAYEE Heavy Industry. Build a professional and efficient pre-sales and after-sales services system. Quickly respond to customer needs. Solve blind spots and pain points during use. Let customers rest assured. It's easy to use. Facing the future. HUAYEE Heavy Industry firmly advances construction machinery industry. High-end, intelligent, green, service-oriented, international upgrade. With technological innovation as the engine, aim for continued excellence. Keep breaking through yourself. Continuously refresh industry standards. Standing at a new starting point for development, Shandong HUAYEE Group will continue to deepen the field of small construction machinery. With higher quality products, a more complete service system, create long-term value for global customers. Full chain drive, walk to the wood. HUAYEE Heavy Industry in order to accelerate the construction of a world-class modern enterprise. Keep going.